China's sneaky move, forcing 50% homegrown tech in chips, a striking slap to American innovation and security. It's been 5 years since we last saw something like this. China upping their game by forcing at least 50% of their chip needs to be made locally. This move is not only hurting American businesses, but also threatens national security. The challenge lies in how we respond to this new move by the Chinese government. The American economy is heavily dependent on skilled professionals in the semiconductor industry. These workers have a significant impact in producing cutting-edge technology, such as smartphones, computers, and military drones. However, the recent export control policies implemented by the US have affected Chinese semiconductor production directly, impacting jobs and the country's economic growth. Advanced chips play a crucial role in the defense sector, including advanced AI capabilities and hypersonic missiles. With a significant percentage of homegrown technology, China is shielded from US sanctions and reinforcement of the military. This could lead to potential conflicts in the South China Sea, or even tensions with Taiwan. Consumer prices increase due to disruptions in supply chains resulting from these policies. The increased production costs could result in higher prices for consumers, impacting the American economy. As tensions rise with China, allies such as Japan and the Netherlands could strengthen their cooperation to weaken Chinese economic ambitions. This collaboration could help limit China's global influence, leading to increased security concerns as China attempts to redefine the rules of the game. The issue of government policy can affect American businesses and national security. It's important to be aware of the potential consequences and take action. Contact your representatives and voice your concerns to protect American jobs and national security. Share this if you're outraged. Let's make our voices heard before it's too late.